6 keyboard shortcuts that save time. Stop converting PDF to Word like this. MS Word has a hidden option. Go to the Insert tab, click Object, choose Text from File. Select your PDF and insert it. That's it. Your PDF is now an editable Word file. Stop doing this in Excel. Instead, use this shortcut. Follow for more Excel shortcuts. Single line space. Double line space. 1.5 line space. Follow for more shortcuts. Still doing this manually? Instead, use text split. Hit Enter. It works. Drag the formula down to other rows. Follow for Excel shortcuts.